There's something truly captivating about woodworking. The smell of freshly cut lumber, the satisfying feel of a well-worn hand plane, the pride in creating something beautiful and functional with your own two hands. It's a craft that calls to people from all walks of life. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a curious beginner, woodworking offers a fulfilling creative outlet. Many are drawn to the satisfaction of turning raw materials into treasured items. Others find solace in the rhythmic process of shaping and joining wood. Whatever the reason, woodworking has a unique power to inspire and bring joy. Unfortunately, the path to woodworking mastery is often paved with frustrating experiences. Many aspiring woodworkers find themselves stalled by incomplete or confusing plans. This can be incredibly disheartening, especially for beginners who are eager to learn and create. Imagine this. You're excited to start a new project. You've gathered your materials and are ready to get to work. But as you delve into the plans, you realize key steps are missing. Measurements are vague. Illustrations are unclear. Suddenly your excitement turns into bewilderment and frustration. This is where TedsWoodworking comes in. It's not just another collection of woodworking plans, it's your comprehensive guide to woodworking success. This incredible resource provides you with everything you need to tackle any project with confidence, regardless of your skill level. TedsWoodworking takes the guesswork out of woodworking. No more deciphering vague instructions or struggling with incomplete diagrams. With TedsWoodworking, you'll have clear, concise, and easy-to-follow plans that will guide you every step of the way. What sets TedsWoodworking apart? It's packed with features designed to make your woodworking experience enjoyable and successful. Each plan includes detailed step-by-step instructions that are easy to understand, even for absolute beginners. You'll know exactly what materials to buy and in what sizes, eliminating wasted time and money. Visualize every project from all angles with detailed diagrams that leave no room for confusion. Whether you're a novice or a pro, TedsWoodworking has projects to challenge and inspire you. With TedsWoodworking, you'll gain the confidence to tackle projects you once thought were too complex. You'll learn new techniques, expand your skills, and amaze yourself with what you can create. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what satisfied TedsWoodworking users have to say. I was hesitant to try woodworking because I thought it was too difficult, but TedsWoodworking made it so easy. The plans are incredibly detailed, and I was able to build my first project with no problems. Now I'm hooked. John S., Texas. As an experienced woodworker, I'm always looking for new plans and inspiration. TedsWoodworking has exceeded my expectations. The quality of the plans is top-notch, and I've discovered so many new techniques. Susan M., California. TedsWoodworking has been a game-changer for me. The plans are so well organized and easy to follow. I've been able to build beautiful furniture for my home that I never thought I could afford. David B., New York. These are just a few of the countless success stories from people who have transformed their woodworking dreams into reality with TedsWoodworking. For a limited time, you can gain access to the entire TedsWoodworking library at an incredible price. That's over 16,000 woodworking plans. Plus, we're including valuable bonuses such as woodworking guides, video tutorials, and access to our exclusive online community. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Imagine the satisfaction of building beautiful, heirloom-quality pieces with your own hands. Imagine the joy of sharing your creations with loved ones. With TedsWoodworking, all of this and more is within your reach. Take the first step towards woodworking mastery. Click the link below to learn more about this incredible offer and start building your dreams today.